Alright, the market just now opened, and let's pop in and manage our earnings trades. So I've got Baidu, Walmart, and Home Depot. Let's see where they start trading at, and we'll begin adjusting the closing strikes, or the closing. Wow, Baidu's super wide. So Baidu is trading at 130. Walmart, and wow. Okay, let's replace the Baidu order. And we're out of Baidu as well. Damn, wait, did Walmart and Home Depot? Oh, Home Depot still. Okay, Home Depot, let's replace order. And order. Replace order again. Come on. There we go. Alright, out of all of our earnings trades, so let's analyze that. Okay, activity. See where we are. Okay, so Home Depot. Oh wait, let's do activity from the last 7 days. Filled orders. So Home Depot, we put this guy in for 238, closed it at 268. That's a 30-cent winner. Okay, so 30 cents. Bum bum bum. Pull up my trusty calculator. 30 cents. Alright. And now let's go to Baidu. Just punch this guy in. And activity. So Baidu, we put it in for 182 and it closed at 63. So we're down $119. So minus 119. Okay, so we're out 119 on Baidu. Baidu opened way up too. So, and then let's take a look at Walmart. Let's see what Walmart did. Walmart, we put it in for 275, closed at 380. So that's plus. Let's see, that's plus 105. So we broke even, made 16 cents. That basically covered my commissions. Alright. Man, Baidu. I did not expect Baidu to have such a big update. So let's pop in and real quick I'll just analyze what happened with the Baidu trade. So I had the 107. Dang. Yeah, so I had the 107, 114, and the 100. Yeah. So that was the butterfly I had, and Baidu started out the day trading around here, ended above 107, and then opened way up here. And that's the problem with putting on an earnings trade early in the day, is if the stock moves up big, your strikes aren't like super accurately positioned. If I had placed this trade on at the end of the day, I might have been able to scratch the trade instead of being a full loser. So anyways, but yeah, it is what it is. So out of those, one small winner, one big winner, and then Baidu was a big loser. So actually the biggest loser I've had with butterflies so far. So, but yeah, and Baidu's really taking my portfolio down too. Why isn't the earnings from Walmart? Oh, okay, I got it. That makes sense. Anyways, yeah, so there you have it, my earnings trades. Now, let's look at, we're gonna put in Target and Walmart have earnings trades. Walmart was up 260, and the expected move yesterday was like $5 or $6, I think. So that is fantastic. That's why we made so much money. it opened right at 130, and my middle strike right there was at 129, and then I had 121 and 137. So if we pop in, let's look at that. So I had these two strikes, 129 and then 121 and what was it, 137? Yeah, 137. So $8 wide strikes. There you go. So it's well within my profit range, which is awesome, and I was able to pull that off for a nice little winner right there. So very good trade. I did exactly what I wanted to do. Now, the reason I wanted to analyze Walmart and this butterfly trade, this is the expected move for Walmart, by the way. Expected move by expiration in 3 days. The reason I wanted to put on the butterfly trade is because I figured Walmart would be up, and it was up. I think I put it on, I'll have to look at the video again yesterday, but I think Walmart was trading around 126 yesterday. Let's analyze this move, and yesterday was a big up move. Yeah, let's look at yesterday. This is the day chart. So it opened at 127.50 and it closed at 127.60. So it actually didn't, but yeah, so it gapped up on open. So it closed at 125.94. So it gapped up $1 basically. And then it traded within this range for that day. And then on earnings, it's opening at 131. So it went from 127 to 131, $4 up move, which is pretty incredible. And then right now it's trading at 130. So it's actually dropped almost $2 since open, so it's dropping back now. They're selling it off. That's Baidu doing it. Baidu's still up. So yeah, if I hadn't have closed where I was, I don't think I would have made much back, but whatever. It is what it is. The earnings did not negatively impact me that much, so breaking even on them. Anyways, and then Home Depot, nice little win there. So $30, nothing to write home about. On Home Depot, let's look at this real quick. So that's not fantastic. $30 is basically I made 10%, and that's nothing to sneeze at. But for the overnight risk, I wanted to make a little bit more. Whatever. You're not gonna win every single one. So now let's see. Let's look at putting on Target. So given that Walmart jumped by $4 or $5, and Target is a direct competitor with Walmart, I do want to see about putting on a little bit more upside in this Target trade. So Target is trading slightly down today, down about 44 cents. Let's look at the chart. They opened up, but they're trading down. So, and then let's look at the day chart. Oh, well, it's not going to tell me anything because we've all been trading for like 5-10 minutes. Anyways, so, but I have to go to work pretty soon, so I'm going to put this trade in. And I actually really like this. Let's unlock this, see what it's trading at. 171 for this trade. I like this. When with Walmart jumping so high on earnings, I'm definitely liking this option. So let's go ahead and we'll place this trade. Wow, that went off real quick. So this is a $7 wide calendar, or not calendar. Why do I keep calling butterflies calendars? $7 wide butterfly. And my profit zones are within, we'll just highlight it again. So profit zone is going to be in this green area. So basically, as long as target stays above 123, between 123 and 130, 35-ish, in that range. As long as it stays in that range, so if it jumps $4 to 128, I should be able to make max profit on this trade, which is going to be $500. Well, not max profit because there'll still be some days, but I'll make like a couple $100. So that'd be amazing. Anyways, so we got the target trade on. Now let's look at lows. And before we put the lows trade on, so let me structure this real quick. I want to take a look at Home Depot and see what it's doing. Home Depot is actually down $5. So it's selling off fairly substantially, actually. So their earnings must have disappointed. So with that in mind, let's actually do the opposite trade in lows. We're going to do a put butterfly. So we'll change. I can just click there and that switches it to calls or puts. Let's put on a put butterfly and explore some options here. So let's put this at $5 wide, 117 to 122. Okay. Now let's move the strikes a little bit. This is super cheap. 75 cents to make 425 bucks. So I want to take a little bit more risk than that. So we're gonna spread this out slightly. Let's spread it out to $10 wide and see what that looks like. If I put on a $10 wide butterfly, so I'd be risking 320 to make 680, 44% probability of profit, really good odds. The expected move's $8. Is kind of expensive, and this is basically the same as putting on a strangle, just about. So, and I don't necessarily need to put that much. The IV's not bad though. So let's bring this in slightly to the 108. That's going to be $7 wide butterfly. And then bring this in to 22. Wait, 15 to 20, that'd be 5, so $7, 165. So I like this. This is not bad. So this gives me a little bit of upside range and a decent amount of downside range. It doesn't quite cover the full expected move, but let's look at Home Depot. It's down 462. Let me just click on this and let's see the expected move plus or minus 669. I think so. It's right around 462, so it's within the expected move. It didn't like break down too crazy or anything. So, and I was still able to get out of it for a small, like very small profit, which is fantastic. So, alright, so we're gonna go ahead and push that through for the lows trade. And we'll keep that slight. Wow, Lowe's is trying to trade up above 117. That's interesting. Huh. Maybe I should tweak my strikes a little bit. Oh, no. Bring that in. 182, 166. $0.80. Wow, okay. So if I do that, my max loss is gonna be 180. I'm only gonna be paying 80 cents. I don't see why. I'm not sure what's going on here. Why is my max loss 180 versus 186? That is kind of weird. That is very weird. Yeah, whatever. 16 to 22, that's gonna be $8. 16 to 109, gonna be $7. What's up with the pricing? Huh. This is weird pricing. 284. This is a $3 gap right at the 122. That's kind of messing with my strikes, but whatever. 16 to 122. That's gonna be $6, and 116 to 108 is gonna be $8. That's gonna be $6, so that'll be more evenly balanced. $106, $114. We'll put it at the 116. There we go. Alright. Place order. Send that up slightly. Wow, having troubles getting filled. These spreads are kind of wide, so I might just have to drop the whole trade, just given how wide these spreads are. They're about 30 cents wide on average. Not as bad as Advanced Auto Parts, but still not good. Can I get better spreads in the monthly? No, not really. Well, if I get filled, I'll get filled. If I don't, I'm not going to worry about it. Anyways, I don't want to take up too much more of your guys' time. This is already way longer than I expected, so have a wonderful rest of your day and happy trading, guys.